Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and we are on the second day of our log cabin dismantling project, and still having a little problems. My drill's just about ready to die here, and this is the reason why we're drilling holes in hardwood, and he's actually putting a little oil on top on the drill right now to make it go through easier. Let's see if that works. I think I can hear the gears spinning. Yeah. No. I think I should have.
So close.
I think I should have filled the gearbox with grease before we started. Anyway, we have a Dutchman on this one here, and that's because the old windows leaked at the windowsills quite a bit, and then they put siding on the old house, and they put extension jams on the outside of the windows, and sometimes they replaced the sills, sometimes they didn't, but anyway, that's the reason for this kind of a problem. So we've got some other drilling to do. We've got a connection over here that only has screws and glue in it. We're going to take that apart, and this one over here is going to get taken apart and fastened with a bolt. It's supposed to have glue in it, but if the glue doesn't hold, we'll re-glue it also. And let's see, where is the stuff we're using? Well, we're using this Zip Seal panel adhesive that's left over from one of our jobs. This stuff is excellent. Adhesive and sealant. Works much better than the product we were using last year. This is basically this PL400 subfloor adhesive, which tends to shrink a little too much. So anyway, we've got our I think that's the last splice. No, wait a minute. Wayne's working on one over here where there was a Dutchman applied to the bottom of the log and it didn't get bolted in place. So we're going to bolt that. And then we're going to start banding these piles together. This is one here. Maybe it's a little too big, but I think we can handle it with the forklift here. We got a Caterpillar TH63 that'll supposedly lift 6,000 pounds, and if that doesn't work, we'll have to resurrect the old Pettibone over here, which has got a little bit more capacity for lifting. So anyway, we got all the logs are tagged on the ends, and these are tagged on both ends actually, but that'll enable us to do a bill of lading and a good inventory of all the logs, and so the owner knows that all of them are here. Right, buddy? Yeah. Buddy, what's going on today? Can you talk to me? I'm not talking today. Anyhow, thanks for watching, folks.